Welcome back to R for Economics. We're just going to go through and talk about how we can actually get information out of a data set, maybe some specific items or even change values. So let's get a data set in here. One of the built-in ones of the MT cars data set. And there it is, miles per gallon. This is cars down here, and there are some features of them. Let's say we only want to get the fourth and fifth, so the Hornet. We can just type in this, and this gives us a sequence from 4 to 5. If we wanted more, we could take more quite easily just by giving it the sequence. If we wanted to find some individual column of our empty cars, maybe 2, 1, 2, 3, and 7, we can extract that information right here, or we could do a combination of both where we want the fourth and fifth, and then also these columns. And there we go. We've now got this specific sub part of the overall MT cars database. Now let's say we go through this and we say, oh, we want to get the cylinders, which are all 6-cylinder. Well, that's 1, 2, 4, 6. This is taking too long. So this is a long method. How about we just find something which will give me maybe a true, true, false, true. Well, look, a logical operator. If we do this, it gets true, true, false, true. That's the fourth one, fifth, sixth one, and so on and so on. Every time it saw 6. So this should give us all the cars which have 6 cylinders. Well, that's great. Now we've got all that information right there. And if we wanted the 8-cylinder ones, bang, we get the full data set with only the 8-cylinder cars. And now we can look at the 8-cylinder cars and see what relationship they have. If we wanted to edit the file, let's say every time there's an 8-cylinder car, we want this horsepower to be 999,949. Well, we can reassign these values, so the values that are associated with the 8-cylinder cars and the HP column, the horsepower column, just like that. So now when we look at our empty cars, we can see that the 8-cylinder car has 999. Wow, those must be super powerful cars. Now, if we want to edit just a single item in there, and we know where it is, well, if we know it's the fifth and fifth that we want to change, so this would be the Hornet's Sportabout, and the fifth column is the DRAT. Well, we can just assign that directly. So this is how we can edit data, and we can extract information from the model. Now, notice here that we didn't have to give it the which column. We could have given it a 2 here, to get the second column of information, but here we use the name of empty cars. The name of the column, we gave it the column name, and it knows to look for the psych in the empty cars rows. We could have done the same for the rows if we had a specific row that we wanted to grab. Okay, we'll see you in the next video.